Hello Paul, this is a walkthrough of the new Invoice batch feature. It affects three different parts of the application, so I'll just talk you through those. This is the job summary screen, and you'll see there's some extra color coding here. These codes with the light blue background all relate to the open invoice batch. So with the red text means it's open and you haven't marked it as approved or cannot invoice yet. In other words, it needs your attention. With grey text means you cannot invoice, and the black text means it's approved for invoice. When you first get the update, if you go to Layout on the menu and choose Default Layout, it resets the grid. And if you go to the far right hand of the grid, you'll see an extra column which you can drag. And you may want to drag it to the left for your purposes, which is batch. You can sort by that column, and it will give you the batch number that particular work orders are in. To start with, none of them will be invoice batches until you start using this feature. You can also drag this column to the header here, and it enables you to group jobs by this batch. So combining that with the sort, you can see that we can put the open batch jobs all at the top here, and you can see the color coding in place for these three jobs in the batch. If we look at one of these individually, you've got the close cannot invoice option, which you've always had. Then on the SOR page, you've got an add to batch button, which is grayed out here because this is already in a batch. This gives you the batch number the job is in, and this is where you mark it as approved for invoice. And if we come out here, there's an extra button